recovering. Amazon pre-market range, TSM pre-market range, Nvidia pre-market range, Netflix lows. Netflix lows. 436, low a day. $436 low a day. I think there is a play to be able to make here on this Netflix. 439, 440 against 442. 439, 440, 439, 440 against 442. And here comes AMD popping back up. Let's see if it can get up to those 60s. So I have, and here's Netflix on lows. I have some offers. Netflix is down 8%. I have some offers out here. It's just Netflix can really get wild. So you need to be careful. It can snap up really quickly. So we're gonna just put some really small orders out. I have some in the mid 39s and the 40s, and we'll see what we get. We'll see if it comes in. Here's coin on new lows. Let me set a new low there. TSM on new highs. I'll set a new high. Apple on new highs. I'll set a new high. Baba on new highs. I'll set a new high. And let's go back to Netflix. It did not get up. Did not get up. And here's Tesla on lows. I really want to watch Tesla on fresh news here. Don't want to jump the gun on it. AMD. I am thinking about canceling this AMD. I'm going to cancel this AMD and I'm going to wait for something to happen. Here's or like hit lows or something. Netflix does pop immediately, jumps up against me. That's why I went small size. 439, 20s I got a piece on, and I have more out here, so I'm trying to get that on as well, up in the 440s. So by design, have very small on, looking for a pop into the 440s for this Netflix. Can we get it? Where am I at? 440.68. For some reason my stop got canceled. Okay, got the full clip there. Netflix. I have an average price of $39.98. My stop is above 02. $39.98, so essentially 40. My average price is around 40. Spread is 50 cents wide. Here's the 40 bid. We are looking for new lows. Let's see if we can get down to 36. Or even 35. Blast down here for, whoops, Netflix. I was trying to get a rectangle drawn. So we'll see what happens there. If this jumps up above 42, I'm going to cut it. But I am looking for new lows down here, 436. Netflix down 7%. Although it might need to run up and stop us out up there. We'll see. Maybe I needed to be more conservative than I even was. Start the position off. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get stopped out up here. It's creeping up to these 42s. So we'll see. Recovery happening. There we go. Stopped out of Netflix. Goes up to 42. Stops us out. And then immediately whips back. Never gained a 42 bid, did it? It certainly did not. Let's take a look here. Did not gain a 42 bid. Gonna watch it for a little bit. And there's a 42 on this, and then it drops in again. Gonna wait on this Netflix. Gonna wait. Okay, and I think around this 44170 and 443 against 44170, 443 against 444. So gonna try this again here on Netflix, the short, if I can get it. Google, new highs, and Google just going. Google just going. Wow. Wow. And there goes Netflix. And I'm looking for a retest up here before we come down. So we'll see if we can get that. I think, we'll see. Schwab, there's no volume there, and I'm just going to cut it out. What else doesn't have volume? Disney has no volume. Meta is doing very little volume. IBM is grinding higher, but not really doing volume. Tesla, chopping around. AMD, I ended up pulling that short, didn't I? I did not take that short. Carvana, Apple. Here's NVIDIA on highs. 470 high day, NVIDIA. Apple on highs, Amazon, TSM, Netflix, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Baba's gone, Coin, Google, IBM, Meta. I don't really see much to do. Just kind of want to watch Tesla and watch this Netflix and see if I can get a way back into this Netflix. Here it drops 39. I am not going to chase this down. I know this thing can jump up higher than expected. Looks like I had the right idea with trying to get it on somewhere here, but I was a little bit too aggressive. I could have been more conservative. I could have started up at the 42s. And did it even get to 43? No, it didn't. I could have started out at the 42s and then gone, here we are below 38s now. So had I started off at the 42s, I'd be in a really nice position here. Tesla still nothing. NVIDIA popping the highs, 471 high a day. Just want to watch Tesla. Want to watch Tesla and Netflix. They are in play. AMD moving up. Carvana, not really. Apple. Tesla. Here comes Netflix back. Here's 41s. I am up above, up in the 4170s and then the 43 level. So only about a point away now, getting filled. 4120s. That's why you don't chase on something like Netflix. Let's see if we can get filled up there. This is the main thing though. Fresh news down 7%. Need to find a way in. I'm 30 cents from getting a fill. Didn't get it. Got it there. Have a small piece on at 71 cents. Again, trying to get the next piece on at 43. We'll see if we get it. So re-entering Netflix. And we're still looking for lows. That did not change. We are still looking for lows, 36s. Is this Tesla moving down too? No, not yet. Not yet. Here is Netflix back to 40. And it looks like it's dropping out to 39s. I'm gonna set a crazy just bid down here below lows just in case it does want to just run straight down. I'm not sure if that will happen. Wasn't able to get those shorts on, but we'll see what happens if we can get down here. 39s. Keep returning to this. That guy's not even buying. I don't even see that guy buying. They sold to him briefly. Let's see if those 20s go away. Tesla coming down again. Wow. 77.20. That's jumping the gun though. I don't really want to jump the gun on this Tesla. What would it be? 77.20 against 78.20? I don't want to jump the gun, but I think I have to. Gonna do it. I can't do it because the buying power between Netflix and Tesla is too much. I'm gonna have to go smaller size. 78.20. Okay, I got that short on in Tesla as well. So my average price in Tesla is 77.25. I have the short on in Tesla. We're looking for low a day, below 76 on Tesla. And we are heading down there right now. Here's 76. I want to see it go through. This is a first day earnings play. I want to see it go through. Netflix is starting to make its way back down. Again, too bad I could not get that larger size on Netflix. I think 275s is reasonable on Tesla. Here comes 38 test up in Netflix. I want to see what happens there. Can we crack that 38 and go to lows? Tesla really need to see it test 76. I want to see what that test looks like. Get down to these 30s, 20s, 15s, 10s. Here comes 76 test. They flash it, and I got it. I did get it right down there. Perfect. So that was what I was looking for on Tesla. That flush out, and it looks like I guessed that level pretty well. I was looking for new lows and just that first flush. I can go ahead and cancel my Tesla orders now. Now this Netflix appears to have popped back up, so it is still trying to do its thing. Still in a pretty good position of strength. I'm still short around 42, and still just letting it. I think that this Netflix is going to go test that 36 low before it gets to highs, but we will see. We just had it down at 38s, and now it's back at 41 and marching higher. So maybe we will get our second piece on, or maybe this is a whole reversal thing, and this thing is actually going to march higher. I don't know. Don't know what will happen, but that was a pretty good. Where's my cover? Down there. I got 75.40, and it just popped right off of there. Let's go ahead and set 275 low a day. On that Tesla. It does not appear to be ready yet. Netflix. Not much to do. I am going to move this out to a 5-minute. Let's look at everything else going on. AMD. Starting to roll over. Carvana holding on. Apple holding on. Nvidia rolling over. Amazon. No Man's Land. TSM. No Man's Land. BABA starting to roll over. Google rolling over. Microsoft. No Man's Land. IBM marching higher. Nice move on IBM. Meta. Coin. Not a whole bunch to do. Where are we on this Netflix? Just sitting here waiting. I think there's still a chance they'll spike it up to here to shake out the weak shorts before taking it lower. I'm gonna leave this offer up here to get bigger, potentially give back open P&L, but first day earnings play down 8%. You got to take that risk. Here's Tesla coming back down in. Tesla coming back to that 76. So now we're just really waiting around for Netflix. Market hovering around that pre-market high. Here comes Tesla again. And Netflix back up to this pre-market low area, back to where I entered. $10 a.m. numbers. Home sales not really going to affect this. Here is Tesla coming back into lows. And there's new lows on Tesla. They really slammed that. What was that? 400,000 shares right there on Tesla, as they drove it down through 75. And there goes Tesla again. So let's set a 74 low a day. And then let's check out, what did Amazon do? It also dropped out. And let's go back to Tesla. Here's Netflix coming back down here, 37s. 37s. Trying to get these 36s. Let's see what they can do. Low 37s down here. Market rolling over. Can we get a push down? I want to see something sustained on the tape, which I'm not really seeing. I'm not seeing them really push down below these 37s. Or below these 38s, I should say. Like to see what that looks like down here. These 38s are causing a problem. I don't really like the way that that did not go down below. Like, look at Tesla. That's what I'm looking for. You see that continuation? And this is back above 39. That's not at all what I was looking for. Let's see if we can get back down to 37. Tesla heading down to 74. Tesla 73s. AMD new lows. Carvana new lows. But Tesla is the one I want to watch, and this Netflix pops straight back up. Straight back up here. Like 3 or 4 points. We were just at 37s and we're above 41s just a moment ago. So I really want to see what happens at 37 if we can get below there. Again, this is a first day news play, down 8%. They should be able to go retest lows, but now I'm getting skeptical. This is what I was expecting out of Netflix. Here is Tesla 272 low a day. AMD is new lows. Let's set new lows and go back to Tesla. Here we are, Netflix back down to 38s. Can we drop those 38s? Will those 20s go away? Are they going to hit them? Nope, not yet. There they are, hitting them. They dropped. Let's see the 38 drop. Will the 38 get hit? 38 gets hit. They're starting to hit the 37s. What can we do in the 37s? Can we get down even further? Can we get down to those 36s? 35s maybe. I don't want to see 38 rebid at this point. I want to see it move down. There's 37.50s. Where's the selling? I do not see the selling, and I don't see the bid dropping away the way I want it to. Yeah, that's just, I'm going to cover this. I'm going to cover this around, I'm trying to get, what am I at, 12 cents? Didn't get it at 12 cents. Got it there. I am flat Netflix at 38.12. I did not like the way that was holding up. I mean, we'll see now. It's already down to the mid 37s, but I decided to cut that because I just did not like the way that it's not making its way down. Even now, see, it's back up to 38. It just can't get down. Look at Tesla coming in. That's what we were looking for. Just wasn't. It's not happening in Netflix. There is a seller in Tesla that's working their order. I don't have a way in right here, but it just was not happening inside of Netflix. Let me set a marker here.